Assalamu alaikum viewers. Now today we have come over here in Shinwari Family Restaurant. It is the sub branch of a very famous restaurant over here in Lahore, that is the Truck Adda, and typical Lahoris must know, and they have the idea what is the Truck Adda, and people all over the world whenever they come and visit Lahore, they just definitely go there to visit the and enjoy the delicious mutton dishes of and mutton karahi of Trakada. But we have choose this one branch because it is least messy. You can say not messy. It's rush free. You can say there is no rush over here. Some selected people used to come over here, and it's a family restaurant because Truck Adda is typically for the men only, but this one branch is for the families, and they just deal in especially mutton, or but sometimes they just offer the chicken barbecues as well, and their interior was quite acceptable for the families to sit and enjoy. There were a lot of families in that restaurant, but we just didn't give them coverage because it's a matter of privacy as well. So it's you can say batak, a typical batak for the families, and it's a very nice place to sit. Especially we choose the late night time because there are so many people used to come over here in the normal times, that is from 7 p.m. till midnight, but we just came over here late night. What is the meaning of late night? So now it's the menu, and they are offering a wide range of dishes, and mostly these are of mutton and beef, and their specialty is of mutton and beef chapli kabab, and we enjoyed the chapli kabab of beef. Now the main thing come. We just chose the mutton in front of us, and we got the chance to see all activities what they were doing with our mutton, and what kind of things they were adding, and what kind of things they were just subtracting. It's a very good thing that they have cleaned the mutton very well, and some sort of a homely feelings we were just feeling over there. So it's a whole process how they were just cutting and chopping the mutton, and it's the specialty also over here. It is the lamb. The taste of a lamb is very yummy. Its smell, its taste, especially it attracts the mutton lovers. Kindly tell in comment box how did you like the video, and are you enjoying, and what kind of a thing you want to see more. Certainly I am just waiting for your response. Now the interesting part of the video came when I was just enjoying the scene. So it was the time when he was just trying to balance the exact weight what we have ordered, and it was so amazing. He was just confused at which part and from where I shall cut and what thing I shall not. was just busy in cutting and chopping the lamb, and we just waited 1 hour to get our dishes to be prepared. And after 1 hour, let's have our dishes. Yay! The first thing we just got about Chapli kabab and their chicken kebab. They were really so tempting and tasty, and we just really enjoyed. And it was very late night, almost around 1 p.m. Not 2 p.m. Sorry, 1 a.m. And you just can feel and imagine that after waiting a lot, we just got the chance to enjoy our dishes, and they were very tasty and yummy, and you can say tempting. And it's the typical one dish of Lahore, and so many people used to come over here to enjoy only that typical taste. So it's time to say goodbye. So kindly subscribe my channel, like and share.